Hello guys, welcome back to our daily market analysis. Let's get started. So today is 9th of March. Nifty moved down by almost 2%, 1.7 percentage. It actually gave a gap down of around 3 percentage. What we wrote in the market analysis on 6th of March on Fridays, Nifty looks weak. Next possible support is around at 24,000. Exactly here, it took the weakness and then it went down till like 24,000. Now it's taking support somewhere around 25,000, 28. Actually, it moved down to the next level that I was going to talk about, 23,600. But you got the gist, right? It is already taking support somewhere around 24,000. So, and the candle it has formed is what do you say, bullish after gap down, a hammer appearing at the bottom of the channel for both of the indices. Looks like a hammer, but again, Nifty took support at 24,000. Now forming bullish hammer at the bottom of the channel. So that's the important part. So if it is forming hammer at the bottom of the channel, that to a downward trending channel, there's a possibility, right? There's a possibility that maybe we'll see some sort of pause of this big down rally. Bank Nifty again found a hammer, and then the next possible support for Bank Nifty, to be honest, looks like at 54,500. It's going to take the support around at 54,600 or something. Before this, Bank Nifty support looks like at 54. What do you say? 54,600. Let's try and look at what's happening into option chain. So tomorrow is going to be expiry. Early signs of support at 23,800, 23,700. So next possible support that we actually did draw was 23,600. So and yeah, next possible support is at around 23,800. Looks like it's going to again it's going to break till marginally. It took a support here till like this. So the probability of it going down is much more higher, to be honest. Yeah. So next possible support at 23,800, 23,800, 3,700. So waiting. Yeah, PCR is at 0.8 as usual. Bought calls, sold puts, that's positive. Sold calls, sold a lot of puts, that's positive. Bought calls, bought puts, that's negative. So surprisingly, if I throw out positive for tomorrow at least, positive or bullish, I'll just say. Final bullish. What about the futures data? So if I am increasing future sell position, how much they sold futures today? They sold 3,000 crores in futures today. Cash. Today they sold 6,000 crores. A massive bloodbath happening in the month of March. After what is it, January. But if you see net India's just sell India. That's the verdict currently. And from the very starting, it's just been like what is it? Now 7, 8, like just 5 days. Almost they sold 28,000 crores in stock. That's it's massive. So if I sold how much? If I sold 6,000 crores of stock. If I sold 6,000 crores. Dash. Everything just tells us that it's not. There's no positivity as such in the markets. We have to see what actually Nifty Bank Nifty went down to like 3% so. So S&P is forming hammer, broke the support. Looks like there's some sort of buying after a very harsh gap down. Nifty recovered a lot. Nikkei recovered a lot. Maybe some positive news coming up from somewhere else. DXY positive, gold actually dropped by 1.4%. Silver flat. USD INR is depreciating like anything. INR is depreciating like anything. TLT positive, EDV positive. US 10-year bonds. So maybe there's some sort of relief from the war. I think that is because all that $120 crude went to like 94. I was talking about this uptrend from a very long time that $65 is going to break and looks positive. Looks like it almost doubled the money if you would have invested there, traded there, to be honest. Bitcoin went up by 4%, so maybe the world market is recovering from whatever has happened, but Indian market seems not to be recovering at this point of time. So again, maybe it's going to consolidate it for 24,000 for some time. The futures and cash market does not show it, but the options data does show it. So for tomorrow, I think it's going to be a flattish expiry to a positive expiry, but the overall momentum remains negative. The downtrend continues. It's a sell on rise market. That's the verdict for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.